Life so good, I finally made it. Never would've had a way if God wouldn't paved it. Family been to death so long, now I can pay it. Making songs so long, not getting money when people play it. Saying thanks to those who congratulate, fuck the ones who hate it. What's the point of having new shoes if you can't lace it? Swear we ain't have shit, hungry as hell, no food, I used to throw fits. Got in the hustle game just cause it made sense. Used to see the big ass new shoes, cold whips. I wanted it, I wanted it. Hell yeah, I wanted it. As a little dude, I always was on the big strip. Safety first, so I always kept a big clip. Remember the first time I seen dude get his ass kicked? We was just little kids first day, we got the dope kicked. Took my whole family away, me and cousin ain't no shit. That changed my whole life. I've been in jail once, can't do twice. Grandpa left, he ain't come back. I knew I had one life. Went to school, wasn't passing, shit wasn't going right. Remember the first time Cuzzo gave me the blunt, I took flight. We was on 64th cold days all night. Niggas from the other side, they just wanted to fight. See, life is like a bike, what goes around comes around, like the sun in the day and the moon at night. So you gon' die, no such thing as a mic. Remember the first time I touched a gig at the mic? Said what's on my chest, yeah, I knew I could be the best. Rich people get everything and we just get what's left. Right wasn't looking good, so a nigga went left. I found some new ways and fuck the ones that's left. God put us in life, we just gotta do our best. Ain't doing nothing that I didn't expect. I need everything greater, cause I don't fuck with the less. And don't move with the pace of life, then you will get left. Like a patient, I've been waiting. Everything good happening, people still hating. Me being mad at the world, yeah, I got a reason. I'm too real, you never hit me with treason. I've been on my hustle yearly, never for a season. Putting food on the table, now the whole family eating. I'm spitting bullets on the track and I'ma leave this bitch bleeding. I could say my life is a blessing, looking back
Pause
it's a
that shit, let's
wonderful lesson.
get it. MA, yeah, we in it. We been rapping for a minute, getting bread, it's time to spend it. Never start, I always finish. Rappers I diminish, rather beat it to replenish. Making records, we know Guinness. Somebody please call Guinness. Cause what we doing on the block make D Howard defensive. I swear my rhymes I make a retard wanna be attentive. Fuck your girl, make it extensive. Give me hit till I come, then I tell her that I finish. Okay, holding down my block. East side where I rock. I be ball hogging all day without no shot clock. I got J bands on my left, Montana on my right. We'll let that Ruger rob your thoughts just like Freddy Krueger at night. My nigga, you ain't bout that life. You ain't bout that life. Y'all ain't bustin' no triggers. They rock fuck the stale ass niggas. I put on for my city. I put on for my city. Whole crew getting on. The world fucking with me. Yeah, I'm young, I'm trying to be grown. Stab my red till it's long. Make your bitch play with my kids just like Bishop Eddie Long. I was always doing right, could never ever do wrong, man. You may not like me, but your bitch know all my songs.
Hold up, I might pull up in that new whip. Inside's peanut butter, outside cool whip. We on the block groove, ain't getting straight to it. Watch how I do this, niggas I influence. Bitches I be choosing, my youngins let them two spit. In my dreams and nightmares, no we don't fight fair. 4-4 boy dog and knock you out your nightgets. Put money on my head, now my life is priceless. And I'm living righteous, and my bitch she dyking. But I'm steady piping, I give her ass that nice stick. My niggas throwing C's up, my niggas throwing E's up. It never been a blood, but my niggas throwing B's up. Niggas better freeze up, I'm talking get your cheese up. Smoking loud right now, and you know it's serious. And we keep the heat tucky talking tough right now. But watch how he freeze up, I'm a big dog, y'all. It's game time and my niggas win the tip off. My niggas with the shit and my whole crew get off.